You surely know what the rule of third is, or I can promise you that at least you have seen it in your favorite movie without knowing that it had a name and a reason. The rule of third is a composition guideline that places your subject in the left or right third of an image, leaving the other two thirds more open. While there are other forms of composition, the rule of third generally leads to compelling and well-composed shots. Once you understand and learn this rule, you won't be able to stop seeing in your movies. The only thing you have to do is divide your shot into three. That is, make 2 vertical lines and 2 horizontal lines, thus leaving 9 frames. Be sure to place the subject that will be the main focus on the scene on one of the two sides. For example, in the Joker scene, when he goes down the stairs, the subject, which in this case is the character, remains on one of the sides of the screen. Look, let's place the screen and look at how they tried to keep the object where they wanted to have the main focus in this part. This also applies to animated films. For example, we all know or haven't seen a Disney movie. What would you say if I told you that they also use this technique in their films? A great example will be Ratatouille. We see that they always try to keep the character leaning to one side. This is a great example. Let's divide the screen into 3 and we will see how they direct our attention to Rami who is preparing a soap. Just because a shot is moving doesn't mean they aren't using the rule. You may notice that every time they want to draw our attention to an object, they tell us. For example, when Rami picks up the ingredients, the shot is placed at an angle where the object is on the right side. But what happens when we have 2 objects in the same shot? When Louis released that Rami is cooking, what they are trying to emphasize is the 2 reactions by leaving each character on each side of the screen. So let's review. The rule of third involves mentally creating equal spaced vertical and horizontal lines in a potential shot or image and then placing points of interest on the intersections lines and point of the screen. The theory is that the style of filming will create images that are more pleasing to the viewer's eyes. You can break the rule third using other techniques, but that's for another video. Once you understand and learn this rule, you won't be able to stop seeing in your movies.